If you're considering Vercel for your web hosting needs, there are a few things you need to know before making your decision, especially when comparing it to other options like Netlify or traditional hosts like Bluehost and SiteGround. In this video, we'll walk through 12 key aspects of Vercel hosting that could impact your choice. First off, Vercel is built for developers with a focus on static site generation and serverless functions. It excels at delivering fast websites thanks to its integration with frameworks like Next.js. If you're a developer looking for seamless deployments and a platform that works flawlessly with modern JavaScript, Vercel is a solid choice. But if you're running a more traditional site like WordPress or something that requires more server-side management, you may want to consider alternatives. Next thing, Vercel offers a generous free tier, which is great if you're just starting out. It provides unlimited deployments, SSL certificates, and CDN support, perfect for personal projects or small businesses. However, if you need more server resources or advanced features, you might have to pay for one of their premium plans, which can get pricey compared to others like Netlify, which offers more generous free tiers for certain types of sites. The third thing to note is Vercel's Global Content Delivery Network, or CDN. Their CDN is highly optimized, making it perfect for serving static sites and dynamic content at lightning speed. This is a major advantage over traditional hosting services, which tend to rely on more centralized infrastructure. However, if you're dealing with large-scale dynamic applications that require custom backends, a more robust solution like AWS might be a better fit. The fourth thing is the ease of deployment. Vercel integrates smoothly with GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket, allowing for continuous integration and deployment with minimal configuration. For developers who prioritize a streamlined process, this is a huge plus. But if you're new to coding, you may find platforms like Wix or Squarespace easier to work with. The fifth thing is serverless functions. Vercel provides an easy way to run backend code in a serverless environment, which can simplify scaling and reduce costs. This is a big advantage for smaller projects or apps with unpredictable traffic. However, if you're running a large app with complex server-side needs, you might find more traditional cloud providers like DigitalOcean or AWS more suited to your needs. Next thing, Vercel is optimized for Next.js, which is one of the most popular frameworks for building modern websites and web applications. If you're building with Next.js, Vercel is the clear winner. However, for other frameworks like Gatsby or Hugo, competitors like Netlify might provide more flexibility or better support. The seventh thing is that Vercel's platform is developer-centric. While it's great for those with technical expertise, it might not be the most user-friendly for beginners or non-technical users. If you need a more intuitive drag-and-drop experience, you might want to check out options like Squarespace or WordPress. The eighth thing is Vercel's pricing model. While the free tier is generous, if you want to unlock higher resource limits, more serverless functions, or team collaboration features, you'll have to upgrade to one of their paid plans. These plans can be costly for smaller businesses and may not be the best value when compared to other hosting providers that offer more extensive features at a lower price point. Next thing, Vercel's support is mostly community-driven. While they offer support for paid plans, if you're on the free tier, you might find yourself relying on forums and documentation. This can be a bit of a drawback if you need direct, fast support, which is something platforms like SiteGround or Bluehost offer with their live chat services. The 10th thing is scalability. Vercel shines when it comes to handling sudden traffic spikes. Their serverless functions and CDN work together to ensure your site scales effortlessly as demand increases. However, for very large-scale applications, more traditional hosting providers like AWS or Google Cloud might provide more control over your infrastructure. The 11th thing is custom domains. Vercel allows you to easily connect custom domains to your projects, but you'll need to manage DNS settings yourself. This is generally straightforward for developers, but if you're not familiar with DNS configuration, it might be a bit challenging compared to services that manage everything for you, like Shopify or Wix. And finally, the 12th thing. Vercel is an excellent choice for developers looking for a